Mr. Lewis, one thing I noticed in several of these letters that friends and family members use the word respectful. What has been going on in our jail is the furthest thing from respectful that I've seen. The number of times, and the fact that I have to say this out loud, that you choose to masturbate in front of the officers on purpose is ridiculous.
Somebody else had a case and the woman even talked to the lieutenant to get it removed up off of my file, but it still shows up.
It's more than one time. So let's just go through them. On April 14th, you were in trouble for not being in your bunk, that you had been given several orders to go to your bunk. You proceeded to walk around yelling, "Bitch, stop talking to me." Then, on April 7th, it alleges you had your hands in your pants, moving in and back and forth, that you were told to take your hands out of your pants, and that you had been told before, or this officer had been briefed on the fact that you were known for doing this. Your response is that that person should have asked the officers how big your, since they want to be talking about you, they should have told them about that too. Then, on March 25th, so another officer, and these aren't the same officers, it's not the same person saying the same thing about you, somebody has some vendetta against you, started to do rounds. Notice that you were watching the person doing rounds, had his hand over his midsection as if he was rubbing on himself. March 18th, another different officer, notice monitoring the bunk. There you are, laying on your back, stroking your in a back and forth motion, told not to do so. January 24th, 2025, you're in trouble for walking around. Notice the way you're laying on your bunk in a way, making motions under the blanket, walked past, turned around to see if you were still doing it. Then you supposedly look at this officer and say, "I'm not doing anything," while you lifted the blanket up for that officer to see it. So if there was one time when they got the wrong person, that's one thing. That's over and over again. You disrespecting female officers who are in there just doing their job.
I sleep on my bed.
Sir, we're really going to do that?